olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ń gbọ́ àṣírí ńlá mọ́ nìyí o ọmọ mú wá sí ti gbọ́ yín yéè lágbára ṣé wá rí àṣírí mo mú wá ohun tó yẹ kí gbogbo èèyàn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kí gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí n mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ni. kí èèyàn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Tìmílẹ́yìn Àjàyí gospel singer ọmọkùnrin ni òun náà mọ̀ ní mo mọ̀ tó mú wá sí ti gbọ́ yín o ń gbọ́ fọ́nrán kan tó wá ti tẹ̀ á lọ́wọ́ níwájú bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọbìnrin kan tí Tìmílẹ́yìn kọ́kọ́ pè ṣùgbọ́n torí yèyé bàbá rẹ̀ yọ ọmọbìnrin lórí rẹ̀ bá gbàbọ̀dè ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ló mọ̀ yọ ọmọbìnrin o èwo ìyẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri àgbáyé àti ìyẹn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ìmọ̀jẹ̀mẹgbà ẹ̀ lákòókò ọmọbìnrin òun náà bẹ̀yìn ọmọ Nàìjíríà sọ̀rọ̀ téyìn náà fojú ara yín rí bẹ́ẹ̀ èwo kí n bá mi share fọ́nrán káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé kí n jẹ́ kó kan gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà lára ṣe rí yín òbí ìmọ̀ níṣẹ́ sí lórí ọmọ yín o kan sọ́ra rian láti máa tẹ̀lé ọkùnrin Mr. alágbájá lo mọ́tò èsì kínní kan gospel singer ní ká mọ̀ sọ́ra rian o ìwọ kí n bá mi share fọ́nrán kí n bá mi like fọ́nrán kí n bá mi comment sábẹ́rẹ̀ fún àǹfààní yìí tètè subscribe sórí ètò ó ní kínní kan bí aago bẹ́ẹ̀ tán eléyìnbó ó pè ní notification bell ìmọ̀wọ́ tẹ aago kí n hàn notification bell yín sílẹ̀ òun láta ń lólobó lóòrèkóòrè tèmi olólùfẹ́ yín Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá tó ti mú fọ́nrán wá sórí ètò kí n má gbàgbé kí n bá mi share rẹ̀ kí n bá mi like rẹ̀ kí n bá mi like fọ́nrán kí n bá mi comment sábẹ́rẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè bí n ṣe comment tí n ṣe bá mi share rẹ̀ tí n ṣe bá mi subscribe òun rere máa tánú ayé yín o èyí náà èmi àbọ̀ sí páńpẹ́ ayé o èmi àbọ̀ sí páńpẹ́ ayé o èmi àlùdẹ ayé èmi àlùgbèkùn ayé o ń gbọ́ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mẹgbà yín lákòókò lórí mo mú wá sí ti gbọ́ yín ọmọ mọ̀mọ́ wá sí ti gbọ́ yín mọ̀mọ́ ju yéé lọ ìwáyàwó fọ́nrán bẹ́ẹ̀.
Hello everyone. I just heard about a tragic incident that happened in Abuja yesterday where a guy murdered his girlfriend. Like, thank God for my life because maybe I would have been a victim. We belong to the same group on Telegram and he posted that he is doing a karaoke or something, that he's a gospel artist and I was interested in singing because I sing. So I went to his DM and I said I'll be interested in the karaoke and he sent he sent the address to me and invited me to come over to Orozo. Thank God for my life because I told my sister and my sister was even telling me to go, let's go. He kept calling me, he was calling me every day. Here is a screenshot of the chat, the short one I made on WhatsApp. He even sent a message to me on WhatsApp. Here is it, everyone. He told me to come to his place, that he's going to make arrangements for me. Thank God for my life. Guys, my mind was not just going. And thank God for work. I was really busy with work and I could not go. If not, I would have been a victim of this. He kept calling. Where are you? This. It was... I just give God the glory, guys.
Nínú fọ́nrán a tó béèrè àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ní àmọ̀mọ̀ tó béèrè ìyẹn ọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́nu Tìmílẹ́yìn Àjàyí o nígbà òde kọ́sítọ́dì ọlọ́pàá tán ìwáyà gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sọ kí lè mọ̀ yí ọmọkùnrin ògidì ọ̀daràn pọ́nbélé lè rè ṣe rí àfikọ́ Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè kó aṣọ a àǹdẹ́ ṣe rí yín òbí ìmọ̀ níṣẹ́ ṣe lórí ọmọ ṣe mọ̀ ibọ́ Ọlọ́run bá sọ̀nìyàn kéèyàn náà sọ́ra rẹ̀ kéèyàn má bàa dàbí fọ́lọ́nsọ́ tẹ́fọkàn gẹ̀dẹ́ gọ̀pẹ́ Ọlọ́run má jà rọ̀rùn Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè má jà rọ̀rùn má jà sí o gbogbo òrìn olúkálùkù bá rìn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ sọ́ra rẹ̀ o Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè má jà sí rìnrìn o má jà sọ̀rẹ́ ní bọ́mọ rẹ̀ bá ti fẹ́ lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ bá ti fẹ́ ní wí ọmọ rẹ kó mọ̀rẹ́ ń wá kó rí ìwọ ọmọ rẹ bá jóbìnrin ìwọ ọmọ rẹ bá jọkùnrin náà gbogbo yín tẹ́ lọ́mọ ní sùkúrù kí n yà wọ ọmọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan orí yín ra gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ayé mọ̀ra tako sálà yín o ògùn náà yín ayé ra sọ́sọ́mi o ayé ti gbẹgẹ́bẹ́ o kéèyàn má pera rẹ̀ ní gospel singer kó yí òun gospel singer kó apànìyàn kó dé àtọkọrin fọlọ́run ìmọ̀ yé sí bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ ni rẹ̀ ni sẹ́ni bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run só lè bẹ̀rù ènìyàn ìmọ̀jà àtàràrẹ̀ ẹ̀ lè bẹ̀rù ènìyàn ìwọ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mẹ̀gbà yín lákòókò lágbára ọlọ́run Elédùmarè gbogbo yín olólùfẹ́ mi orí yín mi àgbàbọ̀dẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ ìmì àṣìṣe.
How were you caught?
I wasn't caught. I surrendered myself.
It's not true.
How? You were caught trying to dispose.
I surrendered myself. If I didn't want anybody to catch me, I would have done that. It's very simple.
It's not true.
It's simple, to be honest.
Simi said he surrendered himself.
Are you ready to face the wrath of the law?
It's not a big thing to pay. It's not a big thing to pay.
Kí n bá mi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì sábẹ́ péjì kí n bá mi láìkì rẹ̀ kí n sọ̀scribe kò mí lágbára ọlọ́run Elédùmarè lọ́dún èyí náà mi a máa mú bọ́ ohun rere ni a mú ǹjẹ́ kí n fi fọ́nrán wọn ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ṣe lọ náà rẹ̀.
The 32-year-old gospel singer Timileyin Ajayi, escorted to the High Court by the Legal Unit and Criminal Investigation Department of the Nigeria Police in Nasarawa State. The suspect is allegedly responsible for the killing and dismembering of Salome Adaidu, whose sad event occurred on Sunday, January 12, 2025. The police is filing a one-count charge of culpable homicide against the suspect.
On the 17th January 2025, we have filed a one-count charge of culpable homicide, punishable with death, against the defendant, Mr. Ajayi. Now we await for assignment because it's only the chief judge that can assign the charge to a trial court. So when the charge is assigned, the date for arraignment will be communicated to you.
The suspect says he is sad with the situation he has found himself and appeals for the understanding of all and sundry. He discarded insinuations that he dismembered Salome Adaidu's body for ritual purposes, but claims he did it to dispose her corpse without traces.
Are you satisfied with the situation you have found yourself?
No, I'm not satisfied.
So why? Tell us, why did you involve yourself in such atrocity?
Because Salome, she came to my house day for yesterday. So when she came, she did something. She was chatting with a boy, a guy. So I saw the chat on her phone. I told her, give me the phone. She refused. That was how the whole thing started. She refused to give me the phone. That was how the whole thing started. And in the process of collecting the phone from her, she was now trying to use weapon on me. This is where she used all the weapons on me. All these things were done by her. In the process of all these things were done from her, by her. My process of revenging was when I stabbed her neck.
Well, it was alleged that you cut her into pieces, and it's the best semblance with people who are into rituals. Some people are alleging that you did this for the purpose of rituals. Can you explain?
I wanted to discard the body so that nobody would find it. That was why I did that, not for ritual sake.
A charge.
Ìyẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ń gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ ní lẹ́nu Tìmílẹ́yìn Àjàyí ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ ti gbọ́ ni lágbára ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á ní bẹ́lẹ̀ sùn ni ń gbọ́ ọmọ ọmọ yìí kíni tó mú wá sí ti gbọ́ yín rè ni pé bá tó ṣe lọ màá jẹ́ kí a gbọ́ fáǹfààní yìí tètè subscribe sórí ètò ó ní kíní kan bí aago bẹ́ẹ̀ tán eléyìnbó pé ní notification bẹ́ẹ̀ ìmọ̀wọ́ tẹ aago kí wọ́n notification bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sílẹ̀ òun láta ń lólobó lóòrèkóòrè tí n bá tó ti mú fọ́nrán wá fẹ̀yìn olólùfẹ́ mi lórí ètò kí n bá mi share fọ́nrán kí n bá mi like kí n bá mi comment sábẹ́ lágbára ọlọ́run Elédùmarè bí n ṣe ṣe yẹ fún mi lọ́dún ọwọ́ yín ìyá fi ṣe rere o èmi àmúfò ẹ̀yin náà bá dáwọ́lé ìrèrè la já sí lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè. Kí n bá mi láìkì ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ju yéé lọ bí bá tó ṣe lọ àjẹkẹ́ àgbọ̀.